So field dependencies. So we'll click on here and we can create field dependencies. When we talk about field dependencies, it basically means that one field is dependent on the other field. It's like a parent-child relationship. So the child is dependent on the parent. So that basically means that if parent has X value, then child can have Y values, and if parent has B value, then child can have Z and other values. So it's something like that. Let's see it in action. Let's see how we can create a field dependency. So we'll select a controlling field. So let's say subject, which is our single select value. We'll select subject, and then we'll select a dependent value. So we'll select multi-select picklist as our dependent field, right? Now we'll click continue here. Now once you do that, so this particular section comes up, and here for each of the parent value, you can select the child values which would be available. So when a user selects computers as the parent value, then what child multi-select picklist value should be available. So let's say value 2 should be available and value 3 should be available. When the user selects maths, then we'll say only one value is available, which is value 1. For physics, we'll say value 4 is available and value 5 is available, right? So that's how you can include, or you can exclude values as well. So click on this and exclude a value, so it would be removed. So you can do like that, right? Then let's click save. Once this is saved, let's go to our record. So let's see what happens when your field dependencies are activated. So now you can see the child picklist section is not editable at the moment. Why? Because I've not selected the parent value. So let's say I select the parent values as computers. So now you can see only 2 and 3 value is available. If I say maths, then only one value is available. And if I say physics, then value 4 and value 5 are available for selection. So that is field dependencies. Please share your questions, thoughts, and feedback in the comments section, and I'll get back to you.